So I'm going to explain the EMT trick, and with this trick you are going to solve the right question in the last moment of GATE exam. Sometimes what happens, we are remaining with roughly 10 minutes or 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes for some students, maybe half an hour also, that in the last exam, like in the last of moment, like we have gone through the complete question paper, like 3 hours 65 questions, we have touched every question. And now meanwhile, when we were crossing question number 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot dot 65, after completing the entire question paper, we are remaining with half an hour. And now like half an hour is remaining, and now we know that in the back, like question number 27 was there, 23 was there, some questions were there, and now I have to go back and we have to jump to solve those questions again. We have to try those questions again. So in this case, this trick works. Like how will it work, I'll tell you. But first understand the scenario is like we have several types of students, right? All the students, they are not going to solve the entire question of 65 questions. And in aerospace department especially, this video is only helpful for GATE aerospace student, but the trick can be used can be used by many students of different departments as well, for mechanical, for civil, or whatever, electrical and all. So this is the best trick, you can say universal trick, and I am giving this name as EMT trick by Viru sir. Okay, easy, medium, tough trick. So let's understand what is this trick. So trick goes like this. Suppose you are sitting at the like at the system. Okay, you entered into the exam hall, you got your system, and the formality is over. Now you are reading the like instructions, and then tick the mark box that okay, I agree, and I am ready to start. So you'll click the start button, and then if you are reading and starting again, then if you are reading and initializing this process again, it will not start. Then it will take time. When the exact time will come, automatically system will start the exam question. So when the first question will appear in front of you, definitely you will be in general ability, like most of the time. So in general ability portion, when the first question will appear in front of you, you see your impression that time. And one more thing, just a moment, I will talk something else, then I'll come back to the main point. In your exam hall, your experience about question paper will change 2 to 3 times. In the beginning half an hour, you may feel that questions are very easy, or some students, you may feel that questions are very tough because questions are shuffled. So maybe as per algorithm or random or whatever, you may be getting all the 2 marks questions or MSQ or MCQ questions very tough, maybe. And maybe easy questions you are getting in the last. I hope you're getting the idea, right? Because if algorithm, everyone will not be having same questions at question 1 is same, like question 1 is from turbine, question 2 is from compressor. No, it is not the case, right? Everyone will be having different, and it will be shuffled. Like it's not like first MCQ will be there, then MSQ will be there, then NAT questions will be there, 1 mark questions will be there. Earlier it used to be like 1 mark question, then 2 marks question. Okay, but now it is shuffled. So when you are reading the first question, that's why I'm generating this EMT trick. Already I have discussed in class also and to old students also, and I have already talked about on YouTube, but now I'm talking in detail properly what is EMT trick. See, EMT trick is like first question is in front of you. Now you take your rough sheet. There will be rough sheet, right? What is rough sheet? That is for the rough work. What will be like some pages will be there, and there will be clipped pages. There will not be loose pages. So like a small copy, small notebook, like 1 2 3 flip pages will be there. Turn the pages, like that. So you need that to apply the trick. And in the last or at the first, last, so that you can flip easily. In the last, you make this kind of, suppose this is your rough sheet, okay, and this is the last portion of your rough sheet. So scribble sheet we say. So you do one line like this, okay, like 2 lines like this, and here you write E, and here you write M, here you write T. Okay, no need to write by Viru sir, only EMT is fine. Then what you do, E means easy, M means medium, T means tough. Okay, and suppose you are seeing the first question, and you saw that first question is actually very easy. You are able to solve the question. Okay, solve the question, go ahead. Go to the second question. Second question, you are able to solve, very good. Tick that question or fill the answer, whatever, NAT or MSQ, then you go ahead. But suppose you found that question number 3, and suppose that question is from rocket propulsion, and everyone knows, like if you have gone through that, suppose you are feeling that okay, I have prepared rocket propulsion very well, so I am not going to lose any question from rocket propulsion. In that case, what will you do? You will read the question, and you are seeing, and suppose they are asking what is the propellant. used in this particular thing? Propellant. Like, okay, what is the propellant used in this particular thing? And it was in your mind that, okay, yes. See, question is of 1 mark. MCQ question. They are just asking which of the following is used as a propellant or something, oxidizer or something. But after reading the options, you became confused. So this question is actually easy question, very easy question if you have done the rocket propulsion. Okay. So now point is, you will write here that question number 3. You just put here 3. Okay. Why I'm putting here 3? I'll tell you. 3. And then you are not able to recall. Don't waste your time if you are not able to recall. Seriously, I'm saying, don't, that moh maya. No. Just go to the next question. Okay, go to the 4th question. You're able to solve. Suppose 4th question is again propulsion. You're able to solve. 5th question, math question, able to solve. Suppose 6th question again came. Okay, and suppose in 6th question there is a small, very easy problem, and suppose that is integration problem. I'm just trying to give you example. That is integration problem. And integration earlier, when calculator was allowed, then we used to crack integration problems in calculator itself. It was facility. Then later they stopped calculator and all. So nowadays calculator will be inbuilt there, so you can, but you can't solve integration there. So suppose there is integration problem. Now for many students, integration problem will be tough category problem, and for many students, like they will go 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 steps, they will solve on their rough sheet, but somewhere they will get stuck. I'm just creating a situation. This can happen with any other topic also. And for some student, like, okay, yeah, it was going well, but here I got stuck. I should reapproach. So in that case, what will happen? The integration problem itself, like, if you feel that, okay, if I will give 1 more try, I can crack the problem, then do it now itself. You give 1 more try and try to crack. But if you are not able to crack this integration problem in your 2nd attempt, it means you are in danger zone. Okay, because you feel that this question is easy, but still you are not able to solve the question. It means what? You should keep this question either in easy or in medium. It depends on the student. Suppose I am keeping, like, just an example, question number 8. Question number 8 is medium question for me. Okay. Then you're going ahead. Suppose question solved. Suppose there is one question from this solved. There is one question from this solved. Suppose they're asking from numerical method. Question is solved. You are able to solve. Okay, done. And suppose question number, just example, question number 15. 1-5. Question number 15. Imagine that question is from turbine. Okay, imagine question is from turbine. And everyone from aerospace department, we used to be good in turbine, right? Propulsion. So suppose you are reading the question and you are finding that, okay, man, yes, air angle is given. Okay, blade angle is also given. Absolute velocity is also given. Everything is given. And something they are asking, like this part, what they are asking in the last, I am not able to judge that what are they asking. In that case, again, it's up to you. You want to keep this question in tough or medium or easy. It depends, like, how practiced you are in turbine. So what will you do? Suppose I'm the student who is experiencing that this turbine problem is tough for me. If I will sit, then I have to recall the formula for the turbine. Then I have to or maybe you are thinking that you have to work out about TS diagram or something of the turbine for this particular problem. So you can keep this in tough problems. So suppose I'm keeping question number 15 is tough problem. And see, you should not write this much big in your this thing. It's small, like you write 3, you write 5, like this, like this, small you write. Just I'm giving my demo, like how to. So it means what? Then suppose question number 21, then suppose question number 30, then suppose question number 35, you're keeping like this. Then suppose in easy, only these 2 questions you're giving. Suppose medium question number 40, question number 41, and suppose in tough only 2 questions, and then question paper over. You have gone through all 65 questions, and now you are remaining with suppose 20 minutes are there. Okay, and now all 65 questions you have gone through, and now you have this list. This is the beauty of EMT trick by Viru sir. What is the beauty? This list you made easily, very easy, right? You are just going through and you made this list. To create this list, you don't have to pay extra time. Like when you are reading the question, that time itself, okay, so I'm not able to solve the question now, so I'm keeping this in mid. So this is how we have created the trick, the list. Now this EMT list. What will you do? Suppose only 10 minutes are remaining. In that case, you jump to this E. E means question number 3 you jump, question number 21 you jump. And suppose because according to you this is easy, these two are easy questions. Okay, and you try question number 3, and if you are getting the idea, okay, that was the propellant. I think liquid oxygen. I think okay, this option is there. Correct. So very good. This trick is working. And suppose 21 was easy for you, but still you are not able to solve 21, and clock is running, guys. 10 minutes are there. 4 minutes wasted. Last 6 minutes is remaining. You're not able to solve this question. Leave 21. Then go to the medium one. In medium one, immediately jump to red bubbles are there, buttons are there. Immediately jump to question number 8. Try question number 8. If you're able to solve, very good. Last 4 minutes are remaining. Don't quit. Leave 8. Go to 30. Don't quit. Go to 40. Like this. This is the beauty of EMT trick. In the last, you will be having your own favorable question to whom you want to attempt again. I hope it is going well. Best of luck. And one more thing. In Feb month, 15th Feb, every year, 15th Feb, I used to start my new batch. So gate 24 batch is about to start on 24th. Admissions are open. You guys please join for 2024-2025. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastava. I have qualified gate aerospace exam 6 times, and this 2023, it seems that I will not be able to take the exam this year. It seems, but I'm trying hard to attend the exam. Already I have applied, but my center is in Banaras and I am in Karnataka, Dharwad, near to Hubli. So I'm just working on this, like can I attend the exam or not? Because attending GATE exam is very, very important, because if I attend the exam, then only I can realize the question paper, like how tough it was in the exam hall in that 3 hours. See, if question paper you are bringing to your home, that time every question is easy. That time you will not be having that pressure. But if you are sitting in the exam hall for the 3 hours, then this is the right judgment. So I used to do that every year. So I'm trying hard to attend the exam. Okay, otherwise, if you are watching this video, share to the GATE aspirants, even though if they are not from aerospace department, this trick will be helpful for sure, for damn sure. And definitely you can have your own ideas like this, so you can follow that. Thank you so much.